Hi, welcome back to Cheryl Trades LEAPS. Today we are talking about the psychology of LEAPS investing, why knowing the right trade isn't enough. Everyone thinks successful LEAPS investing is about finding the next great company. It's not. Finding great businesses is actually the easy part. The hard part is holding them through uncertainty. I've noticed that many LEAPS investors spend countless hours learning valuation, reading earnings reports, studying macroeconomics, watching interviews, and building discounted cash flow models. They can explain exactly why a company should be worth more in 5 years. Then the stock drops 20% in 2 weeks. Suddenly, all that conviction disappears. The thesis hasn't changed. The business hasn't changed. The expiration date is still 18 months away. Only one thing has changed: how the investor feels. That is where the real battle begins. For years, I believed the solution was simply more knowledge, better analysis, better timing, better charts. Eventually, I realized that the biggest risk to my portfolio wasn't the market. It was me. The human brain was never designed to own a financial asset that fluctuates wildly every day, while requiring you to do almost nothing. Thousands of years of evolution rewarded immediate action. Danger appeared. Run. Opportunity appeared. Grab it. In the market, especially with LEAPS, those instincts often produce the wrong decision. A 15% decline feels like danger, even if it is completely normal. A 40% rally feels like it will continue forever, even when expectations have become unrealistic. Our brains confuse price movement with actual risk. They are not the same. Real risk is permanent impairment of the business. Price volatility is simply the market negotiating value. The greatest lesson I have learned is that patience is not a personality trait. It is a trained skill. Every time we resist checking the option price every hour, every time we avoid selling because of temporary fear, every time we refuse to chase a stock that already ran 40%, we strengthen a new decision-making pathway. Over time, discipline becomes less about willpower and more about habit. That is why successful LEAPS investing is surprisingly boring. The best investors often make very few decisions. They buy outstanding businesses. They size positions appropriately. They monitor the original investment thesis rather than daily price action. They accept volatility as the cost of long-term returns. Most importantly, they understand that discomfort is not evidence they are wrong. Discomfort is often the price of staying invested long enough for compounding to work. There will always be another headline, another analyst downgrade, another geopolitical crisis, another market correction. If your investment thesis changes, adjust your position. If only your emotions have changed, do nothing. The market constantly asks one question: has the business changed? Or have your emotions changed? Learning to answer that question honestly may be the single most valuable skill a LEAPS investor can develop. Because in long-term investing, your greatest edge is rarely superior information. It is superior behavior. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.